A special joint team of the police and TSL led by Jugal Charan Tripura, officer in charge of Baizal Bari Police Station, conducted extensive area domination and patrol in various localities preparing for the TTAADC elections scheduled for Sunday, April 12. The administration has wrapped into 2 constituencies in Khowai District 9 Halhale Asrambari and in 12 Ramchandragarh in a blanket of heavy security. To ensure a free, fair and peaceful voting process, polling officials began heading to their respective booths this morning under police escort.
Jetu area of Kisa Tomabagai, Sung Ara Ramchandragarh, the 12 Ramchandragarh ni Andara, Sung Tabuk mobile Kaitongo, vehicle mobile Kaitongo, sin loge sufficient staff Tongo, Sung Tak silent Tamino, Sung Divino Elakau Tangai, Sung Public no sana na yuze kebo kirina kere kaham keren kino jani sajak no budidi sengabu ni bagai no sung normal shape ke jahde kuno jamela kere ki khanya bagai sini pani sufficient force tongo noro wan na kere ta kiridi sung sini andaro ani PS ni andaro total 38 polling station tongo abon bisingo sini 12 ta mobile gari tongo sufficient force tongo kebo kirina kari jekuno angkai norano jogajo khaimano tai bibino jagao je police sector officer rijak borokno khaimano sung ready tongo jekuno jinis chini buskango paiteng sungabo challenge khanya bagai sung ready sung tayar.
Reporter Baby Blog from Khowai, Chini Khorang.